pa.
Ang anak mo. Pupunta na sila sa Toy Kingdom. Excited na, oh. Di ba dyan tayo nang kumain, Bebe? Isang gyot na yan. Okay, let's. Nagmamadali sila, oh. So cute! Oh. Oh, dito na tayo. Ikot na kayo.
Mommy?
What's that? Okay, ikot pa tayo. Come on.
Mom, I need this.
What's that? You have so many Barbie na?
I need that one.
You check there first. Baka may makita, may magustuhan ka pa. Come on.
This is good. I'm not buy that, Mommy.
Okay. Go there.
Moana. It's Moana, Mommy.
Oh, si Moana.
Stitch. Oh, look at this.
Oh, doon na tayo.
Mom, look at that. Stitch. I have a
Baka naman bibili mo ilis yung mga ganito na naman, oh. Oh, Stitch. Oh, how about you, ate? What you like?
no.
Adal ulit? This one, oh? Ano yan?
This is surprise, huh?
Mommy, I'm gonna buy this.
Okay. Where's ate? Oh, ate is still looking. Still looking for
What is this?
a cake. Yeah.
Mom, come here. Come here, Mommy.
What's that?
Look at this. Look up here. Look at this, Mom.
Oh, it's a Barbie with donut.
Mommy, look at that.
Oh, dito naman. Come here.
Oh, come here, Mommy.
You explore first para may
Okay, cookies.
magustuhan ka.
I want to play some. No, I think I found some universe. Come on. Universe?
Huwag na ang miniverse.
No, not universe.
Ha?
Okay,
Ang miniverse na nga gawin.
okay.
You will buy miniverse.
LOL?
I don't know, Mommy.
It's a LOL.
I'm gonna
Mas mahal pa to.
Mas malaki eh.
1,000.
Mimi.
1,000.
Hindi at ay oo, tingnan mo yung surprises pwedeng ganito lang.
Asa na si Elise? Elise, how about you, ate?
Mommy, oh. Ito.
Did you
Ito, Mommy.
found?
Ito.
Naku, anong ito? Kay Tito Ivan. Si Tito Ivan magbabay sa inyo.
That one? Ano naman ito? Ay, lol.
LOL yan.
Okay.
Come here. Ito, ang cute oh, di ba? Hilig mo sa mga ganito, ate.
Mommy, come here.
Ito, there's plenty of ano pa. O yan, mas maliit.
Oh, how much is that? Oh, parang ganito lang din yung 600 mo.
Parang
Oh,
alamin,
699.
mini
You buy-
world.
You buy, 10 of that.
Mini world of, oh yan. Yan na lang kunin mo na.
Yan na lang, so many of that na lang.
Oo.
Ngayon,
Magkano
luto
yung
pa
isa?
po. 99 lang.
99 lang. Ayan. Baka, ewan ko kung ano pa yan,
Ayun, ito pa ba
papadry.
Gawi dito ka lang.
Ayan, it's a dollhouse. Kaso wala kang pagpepestuhan na yan, anak. Eh.
Para po. So nice, no?
Oo, nice lang.
Oh, dalawa rin, is 99.
Ayun, nag-iikot pa.
You hold all.
Ano, kukunin mo to? You want this?
Yeah, and then this one.
You get more pa.
Okay. Get more pa daw. Sabi ni Tito ng like this, dun. Sana si Elise? Ano si ate? Basket? Ewan ko.
Shopping cart po.
Ayun.
What's the toy? Mommy, look.
Oh, nice. Oh, like your box of turtle.
That's my turtle.
Oh? Yung big turtle na siya.
I cannot hold this.
Kaya to? Oh, it's 99 nga lang, oh. Oh. Yung,
Ano na kay Elise? May nakita na
wala.
siya.
Ako ko dyan. What are you going to
What
buy?
you like ba?
So, dami kasi nang gusto mo, kaya hindi mo.
Yung ganyan, meron na siya niyan. Yung Anto.
Yeah, I got that. Mama, I wanna sit down.
Hello.
Oh, huwag na.
I'm going to...
Yung walk lang, paano ka makakapili ng toys mo? O sige, you're right. Dito.
Yun at kasha tayo. Yeah.
O si ate na lang. Ano ate? What you like? Yung may ganito ka na eh. Kaso, ito yung nakuha mo ate. Oh. Diba? This one. Ha? Yan. I think this one, oh. Ay, wala silang sample. Ayan, parang ganito siya, ate, oh.
No.
Zombie. Ay, zombie mo.
Oh my God.
Zombie daw. Zombie. 1, 3. Ayaw mo ng mga other mini brands. Ito, meron na kayo nito eh. Happy Uppers. Painting. Ito, painting. Oh. Like that. O ito, oh. Ito, ate, oh. Yung parang iaano mo siya. Pipainting.
What is this?
Ganyan. Ano nga, blind box. Tapos, it depend kung anong makukuha mo. Ano bang nakalagay dito. Blind box ba ito? Oh, ito, oh. Any of this you will get. Ayan, parang stop toys din. Blind din yata yan. Which talking puppy? What you like? Gusto mo yan yung parang turtle, oh. May turtle na toys. Ito, oh. Ito yung makukuha mo, ate, oh. Any of this. Ano? That one? Be? Wait, tanggalin muna natin. Big ba? Sige, pahaba kasi. Hilahin mo pa.
What?
Oh.
Big yan eh.
Oh, ganyan siya.
Saan kasi no? It's not ano. Marami siya.
They have, no, it's only a toy.
Pero hindi, ano ata to? Hindi, display lang to. Display lang to. Yun.
Ah, ganyan. Oh, ayan. You want to get one?
Oh, where's
Well, let me
Chloe?
see.
Where's Chloe?
Pero depend pa kung saan dyan makukuha mo Not the brown one pa ha.
I'm gonna get...
Oh, what else? Magkano yung isa niyan, bebe?
149?
149? Mura lang.
Nakalagay mo yung
Ay, 149.
presyo na na.
Oo, hindi ko nakita eh. Ando, nakasakay sa cart. Baka nagganap pa. May nakita siya.
Ano?
149 lang yung parang maliliit na ano.
Sino?
Silis.
Oh, yun ang bibili nila?
Oo, ay doon. Hawak-hawak niya na. Tapos naghanap pa siya.
Oh, you buy more pa. How much?
Ano yan?
Okay.
Play-doh? Play-doh?
That is slime.
Slime? Okay. Ah, yan daw.
What's the
Mura.
other one? Isa lang yan. 149.
Hindi,
May iba pa bang ano
349.
349 ba?
349 siya.
149 kanina. You buy more pa.
Oh, sige pa. Slime, okay ka na dyan si ate. Mamaya magagawa na naman kayo ng slime.
You as
Oh, look at that.
Mahilig din yung
That's
isa sa
Play-Doh.
slime eh. Ate, you want slime? Slime.
Like this one lang Like this one.
Oo. Same with Chloe.
You get there There, dito pa na. Here. Uy, ito.
Ito. This.
Yung sa taas. Yung sa taas parang same din.
You want this? Oh, yan. Para walang ano mamaya. Mamaya mag-ano naman kayo. Wala ako, wala yan.
I'm gonna right here.
Huh? Yeah. You put it here.
I will put it on here.
Oh, that's Rapunzel. Malaglag ka na.
Sit down, ikaw dito.
Oh, sit down ka lang dyan.
Sit down dito right now.
You want that one? You choose what you want.
Dito ka na, oh.
What's your favorite?
Oh, I will sit there.
Oh.
Man, napaka ano naman kasi nito. You sit there, I will sit there on the other side.
Ninilang pa ako ng trivia. You want that, ha?
Ano sabi niya?
Ano daw yun? Tapos yung sabi ko alam, that is for the...
Oh, you want that? You buy na. You want the stop toys?
That one nga. Ha?
Brown.
Ikaw, you're good with your what you get?
Slime.
Your slime and then the small mini burst. Okay ka na doon? Okay. This one ako.
Look at this.
Oh. You have that one, di ba? Oh, cellphone, no? Oh, you like cell phone. Oh, you want this? Oh, you know, get that. Oh, this one ako, mas ganda. This one? Okay. Oh, add mo dun. Ay, Tito Ivan. I don't know. They are...
Well, dito na lang tayo.
You check what will you buy?
Stand up. Chloe. Oh, ito ate, oh, maganda din, oh. Nag-skate na, ano, dog. Ay, ayaw mo niyan?
No, that one below.
Down there, oh, yan, oh. Nakasakay sa skateboard. Oh, you know. Mga papi na yan. Hala.